y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these Bantu knots. It's actually my very first time doing this style, so bear with me. I tried to be as detailed as possible in the voiceover. But if you want to know how I got this look, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I make more videos like this, because I have so many ideas for super cute hairstyles. They will be coming soon and you don't want to miss them. So make sure you turn on your post notifications, and if you're interested in getting into this look, then keep on watching. First, I parted a triangular section in the front of my head so that I could have one Bantu knot directly in the middle, and then I sectioned off the rest of my hair just to clip it back and out of the way, because I went ahead and parted each section as I went along rather than pre-parting the sections. For the style, I used the Blue Magic grease to coat each section of my hair, and I also add another product on the ends to moisten them, but you'll see what I'm talking about later on. Now, to form the actual Bantu knot, all you're going to do is twist your hair, and you're going to twist it until it naturally wants to wrap around itself. At first, I went in twisting tight at the root, but you don't need to, because as you make the knot, it'll get tighter and tighter at your root. So you want to make it kind of loose at the root so it doesn't give you a headache or anything. But what you're going to do is you're going to keep wrapping and tucking the end under the knot, and that's how the knot is going to be formed. And then once you get to the end, it should stay and secure itself. Some of mine did, some of them didn't. So to secure the end, you can simply add a bobby pin. And you're going to simply repeat the process with every Bantu knot. The technique is pretty repetitive, so there's not much else for me to describe, but I do end up showing you a couple close-ups of me twisting some other Bantu knots, so keep on watching for a more detailed scope. Also, I did this style on stretched hair because I wanted a more elongated curl when I take out the Bantu knots, but you don't have to. You can also do the style on damp hair or your hair in its natural state. Just make sure it's detangled very well. Now I decided to go in with the second product, which was the Shea Miracle Bouncy Curl Pudding, and this basically acted as a leave-in to moisturize the ends of my hair so that when I took out the Bantu knots, I would have a nice curl that continued all the way to the ends. For the Bantu knots that I previously didn't apply the curl pudding to, I either took the end out, coated it with the curl pudding, and then wrapped it back up, or I just applied a light coat on top of the Bantu knot so that the product can soak through. And y'all, the whole time I was doing my hair, I was actually talking to my family, so when you see me laughing or talking, just know I'm not talking to myself. And I rock a lot, I've noticed. I can't help it. It's just an involuntary response that comes when I stand for too long. So yeah, I hope it's not too distracting. Halfway through to finishing the knots, I realized how cute it would be to leave out the back half of my hair if I were to make some chunky twists or braids and then take them out for a hairstyle. So let me know in the comments if you'd actually rock this style. Alright y'all, so I am done. This is what I'm working with. I don't really know how many Bantu knots I have, but here it is. Here's the back. So I did them kind of medium large, I'd say, just because I wanted a really nice curl. I didn't want the curls to be too jumbo to where it like waves out and it doesn't last as long, but I also didn't want them to be too small, to have like little ringlets, and to have my hair really shrunken. So this is the size and stuff, and also I wanted to be able to wear the style out. So I wanted to make sure that the parts were pretty straight, or as straight as I could possibly get them. So yeah, but I think this is actually a cute style, minus the bobby pin sticking out. If I can like see how I can fix that and maybe like replace the bobby pins for rubber bands, I might just do that because I really want to wear this hairstyle out. So yeah, that concludes this video, y'all. I really hope you enjoyed it and you got some inspiration for your next hairstyle. And if you want to see more of me from me and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your post notifications, and comment down below what style you want me to do next, and if you have any questions on this style. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.